Hi, Rogue Chef here again. Today I've got a client that wants some root beer glazed ham. So I'm getting ready. I've already cut one of the hams up. So we're going to make the glaze for it. And so what I've got in here right now is some brown sugar. There's a little bit of cinnamon. We'll add some salt, some allspice, cinnamon. I've tasted it, it just needs a little bit more. And we'll stir this up. And then, root beer. I'm using Barks, just personal preference, whatever you want to use. So in at a time, and then we'll stir around. And what we're going to do here is you want to make a paste, because the sugar in that will melt, and then there'll be some water from the ham when you heat it up, because you'll want this to stick to it. So it's almost ready. And I'm going to add just a little bit more, but not much. Kind of thick and kind of a pasty paste. I'll let this sit for a few minutes and see how it looks before I'm gonna cut a couple more hams. We'll fill this up and then we'll add to it. We'll just see how this looks to make sure that it's looking right. Alright, cut up some more ham. Got a first layer in here. So we'll take some of the glaze, have to cover everything because it'll sink down into it as it bakes. But I'll let this set and marinate on this before we put it into the oven. Ham and another layer of glaze. It'll bake for about an hour in 350 degree oven. Alright, here we go. I've got the last of the ham cut. And so we'll take the last of our glaze here, put it on top. Will make, as it bakes, it'll just soak into that ham and it'll drizzle down. And so what will happen is this will, as it heats, it will mix, the glaze will mix with the ham juices. The sugar will dissolve, the top part will leave a nice little glaze. There'll be a little soft juice in the bottom, so both the top and the bottom will be nice and tasty.